Hey.
It's Megan and Sean here, and today we are on the Carnival Sunshine out of Norfolk, Virginia, and we are in a cabin stateroom. It's 7315.
Nice.
So follow along, and we're going to show you exactly what you need to know about this room.
Let's go.
So this room is in the back of the ship, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Better known as the aft.
Rhymes with another word that we won't say.
So this is our bed. It's a king-size bed, and...
Do a bed test.
Should I do a bed? Oh, it's kind of hard, honestly. Let's
Try it.
Okay,
Three,
what do I do?
3, 2, 1, just jump.
Oh!
Seems a little firm.
I may or may not have just broken my back.
Seems a little firm.
Ow! And my rib. Anyways, it's not the softest. But I did kind of jump in the middle, and the bed is set up as two twins.
So maybe you got hit.
Push them together, so maybe I was right in the middle.
Yeah, maybe you got hit by a metal bar there.
So while we're on the side of the bed, we're going to go out to the balcony, because this is what you're paying for.
Yes, the views.
So this is the balcony. Right now we're still in Norfolk, and it's really cold and gray.
Very.
So this is what you get. It's not beautiful sunshine, but that's what it is.
Yes.
We're also about to do a drill. So if you hear all that commotion, that's why. So this is, you get two chairs and a coffee table, and then there are partitions to the cabin beside you. I've heard, but I've never done this before because I don't have any cool friends that do cruise with us as much as I want. But supposedly, if you have a cabin beside you that are friends with you and you want to open the doors, you can do that. So you ask your cabin steward about that. So that's exciting. So then this is the view again.
Good view. Could be better. It's a rainy day here in Norfolk, so but it's not a bad view.
Okay, so we're moving on inside.
Back to the room.
Yes, that was just our music. So then over here, we have a swivel TV.
That was our general emergency.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later. Anyways, moving on.
Moving on, we're back.
Okay, hopefully all the drills are over. We're done. We're ready to set sail.
Finally.
But let's finish the room tour.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't know if I've already introduced this. We have a swivel TV. Then this is the station where you get ready in the morning because there's a mirror or whatever. There's storage there, storage all in there. Those first two have the
Closets.
that have
Hangers,
hangers.
yes.
That's the word. And then the third one over there has your safe and your life jackets that I showed you earlier.
Mm-hmm.
And then your phone and a cooler, not a fridge.
Cooler, yes, not a fridge.
Come on. So then this over here is the thermostat. It does get warm in here.
It was warm today.
Yes, it was warm today. So they, on all the Facebook groups, they talk about how it is cold in Norfolk, and it was not.
Not today, no.
So then we have our very, very small bathroom. So over here we have your shower with a wand. And they provide shower gel and shampoo, but I always tell people to bring their own because it's not amazing. For guys that probably don't really care, it's fine. But for us ladies who like a luscious hair, not the best.
Oh, not the best.
Okay, so then over here we have another mirror. And we have more storage. And then your sink and all that fun stuff.
I think that's it.
Get out of the bathroom. And I think that's it.
That's the room tour for the next 6 days.
6 days. We're going to Celebration Key, Bimini, and Nassau.
Nice.
Woohoo!
We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, baby. This is like our...
22nd cruise?
Yeah.
22nd cruise? This is like our 4th or 5th out of Norfolk, so
Yeah.
it's quite a bit.
Yeah.
Keep on going, though.
All right.
See you in the next one.
Bye, guys. Room 7315.
15. All right.
Balcony, Carnival Sunshine. Out of Norfolk.
Yay.
Woo!
Bye.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
We want to just interrupt this video real quick to just say thank you so much for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We're having a great time making the videos and just exploring this great big pretty world.
Yep.
And
Looking forward
forward to all the other trips we got coming
Yes.
up.
If you're new to this channel, we're doing a 10 for 10 challenge. It's our 10-year wedding anniversary, and we're taking 10 trips in 2026 to celebrate. Woohoo! We've already done one to the Disney Dream.
Yep.
And then now we're on the Carnival Sunshine. And then we don't know what the rest of the year is going to be.
gonna do.
So let us know if you have any great places that we need to go visit.
Yes.
We'll travel near and far. Wherever you guys think we should go, we will go.
Yes.
Well, to a limit.
To a limit, yeah, of course.
But thanks so much again for watching. We really appreciate it. And like and follow.
Yay.
And subscribe.
Please do.
And tell your friends.
Yes. Share it with everybody. Tell everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Traveling with children 12 years and younger will have priority in boarding. Members of the same family will board the same survival craft. The abandoned ship order will be given directly from the captain through the PA system.
How long is this?
The team members appointed to assist you are easily identified by safety hats or vests. They'll be standing
20
along
minutes
corridors,
later.
stairwells, and in the muster stations. Please take note of some additional important instructions. Should you see anyone go overboard, throw them a life buoy, shout man overboard, inform the nearest team member, or call 911 on any ship's phone and maintain the person in sight. In case